Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this exclusive penthouse for sale in Rome. Check it out!
Today we are in Rome, capital and one of the most outstanding cities in Italy that enchants body and soul with its beauty and immortal charm. Rome has been chosen throughout the decades as the location for some of the most iconic films, amongst which are La Dolce Vita of Fellini, La Grande Bellezza of Sorrentino, and Roman Holidays, featuring Gregory Peck and Audrey Hepburn, just to mention some. The exclusive penthouse that we are about to see is at the top floors of a historical building in the heart of the Campitelli district. It is developed on 3 levels, each with their own independent access, and features 250 square meters of panoramic terraces.
Welcome to the penthouse. As mentioned, the property is developed on 3 levels and each has its own independent access. Right now, we are on the lowest level that is called l'appartamento pontificio due to its visible magnificence. Here, we still have details that are original to the 1600s, such as the hand-painted covered ceilings and the hand-painted shutters. All have been carefully and skillfully renovated. The floor is served by a bathroom with shower, this beautiful living area, and the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a true emblem of elegance. Central to the space is a king-size canopy bed that looks over double windows that have a magnificent view over l'Altare della Patria. However, I want to point your attention up to the ceiling. We have a stunning frescoed frame that brings our attention to the covered ceilings. Just look at the details that have been hand-painted on the wood and the skillfulness with which they have been renovated and restored. Simply gorgeous. Thanks to this gorgeous staircase, we are now heading towards the upper floor. Right at the top of the stairs is this cozy study that can be easily transformed into a queen-size bedroom. The room has its own private balcony, and as you can see, the view just gets better and better as we go up the floors. On this part of the floor, we have the independent entrance. This area could become an independent suite. We have frescoes from floor to ceilings that show bucolic and calming scenes. The floors and frames are all in travertino, and here we have a bathroom that serves the queen-size bedroom. Also, the bedroom has relaxing and neutral tones with frescoed walls. Adjacent to the suite is a stainless steel kitchenette that serves the rest of the floor. We are now in the heart of the piano di rappresentanza, where we have this open space living area. Connected to the kitchenette is a cozy dining area. The whole space has an amazing combination of red marble and white marble floors. However, the most impressive feature are the extensive windows that allow a breathtaking and thorough view over La Roma Monumentale. Here is a second independent access to the floor, so if one wanted, they could close off the suite to give further independence to one's guests. We are now in the living room. The impressive furnishings and features continue. The materials used are of the highest quality. At the end of the space is a marble fireplace, but also beautiful frescoes on the walls. Along the frescoed walls is a hidden door. Here we have the access to the elevator that does not connect all the floors. It leads us to the third floor that we will see in a moment. However, I want to show you a first part of the true jewel of the property, which are the terraces. We are on the lowest level of the true jewel of this penthouse, which are the terraces. It has a total of 3 terraces for 250 square meters. They are all covered in travertino marble, and here we have a cozy coffee table. However, the true protagonist is the view. It feels as if we could touch l'Altare della Patria and la Basilica di Santa Maria Aracoeli. From here we can access a second part of a terrace with a beautiful glass table where you can enjoy an aperitivo with a view. From here we can access the third floor. This top floor features the main kitchen, with cozy and more informal dining area. The kitchen is fully equipped and has a beautiful marble backsplash. There's also an extra feature, which are these hand-painted doors, so if one wanted, it could be completely closed off. Also on this floor, the beautiful combination of the white marble and red marble continues. The floor hosts a space dedicated to caterers, ideal when organizing dinner parties. From here, we can connect to the sunroom. Welcome to the sunroom. This is one of my favorite spaces throughout the penthouse. The beautiful, extensive windows allow a magnificent view. As promised, it just gets better and better. This is a multifunctional space. It has 2 distinct dining areas, but also a lounge area, and is all tied together by this one-of-a-kind chandelier. Personally, I would love to come here every single day at sunset just to see the golden hour dancing on the monuments in the center of Rome. From here, we can continue onto the second terrace.
Terrace has travertino flooring, which has been glazed so it can be enjoyed both in the winter and summer. The space is embellished by a lovely fountain, and also from here, the view is magnificent. This space is ideal when hosting celebrations or dinner parties. We are at the tallest point on the rooftop terrace. From here, we have a 360-degree over the city of Rome. It dominates over the panorama, not to speak of the amazing view over l'Altare della Patria and la Basilica di Santa Maria Aracoeli. that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this extraordinary penthouse for sale in Rome. On that note, ciao!